What if you could turn social media comments into free leads without spending a penny on ads? Imagine how valuable that would be for you, your agency, or your clients. Social media comments are an untapped goldmine. Every day, people ask questions and show interest and engage with posts. But if these comments aren't captured and responded to, they're missed opportunities, slipping away, gone forever. The problem, though, is that many small business owners struggle to keep up with the volume of engagement required, missing out on converting these interactions into sales simply because they lack the time or the tools. Even worse, they're often spending money on ads, all while leaving a ton of free leads sitting right there in the comment section. With Facebook and Instagram comment automation, you can offer your clients a way to turn every comment into a potential customer automatically. This means more leads, better engagement, and zero ad spend. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up automated responses to engage customers instantly, capture leads from every comment on yours or your client's posts, and how to add this powerful zero-cost service to your agency's offerings, making you the go-to expert for high-value, no-cost lead generation. Now, I'm handing things over to Dave, our in-house high-level expert and agency tech wizard. He's going to walk you through each step to set this up and show you how to add this incredibly powerful revenue-generating service to your agency. So, let's dive in.
All right, so today we're going to dive into Facebook and also Instagram comment automation. So effectively what High Level has done is replaced ManyChat. So if you're looking to grow organically and you do something called, say, two-step posts where you get people to comment on your post to receive, say, a lead magnet or information on your program or a service, then this is going to be a game changer for you because you can basically automate the response. You can also like the comment, and then you can also follow up in the DMs. And we all know the power of conversations. They're really kind of the new leads. So we can use Facebook and Instagram posts, and then we can use this automation to make sure we follow up with everyone 24/7 so we don't miss a lead. So if you go to automation, and again, you can download this snapshot and all of this automation in a link below this video. So effectively, we've got these Facebook and Instagram automation. So the first one is Facebook comments. This one is a little bit more advanced because we can actually use ChatGPT and AI to create the comments for us. So the trigger is going to be a Facebook post, and we can choose our page and then the post type and then the exact post. And then we can add a phrase. So this phrase would be what you're asking people to comment on the post. And this is going to trigger the automation. From there, we're then going to use ChatGPT, and we can effectively say this is a comment on a Facebook post by a user, and then you just give it some information. So here I've just said I've got a coaching company called Agency Accelerator that helps agencies start and grow profitable agency. The post was regarding how agencies can use High Level to start their agency today. So this is going to go into ChatGPT, and then it's going to use that post to respond to that comment. It's also going to like that comment as well. Now from there, this is super cool because let's say we get a negative comment, then we don't really want to kind of respond and then go into the DMs with that negative comment. So what ChatGPT can do is it analyzes the sentiment of that comment. And if that sentiment is, say, negative, you can see down here, we've then got an if-else condition. So if it's positive, we're going to send over it's going to basically send the lead over to Facebook Messenger, and we're going to reply in the DMs. So we've said, hey, thanks for showing interest in Agent Accelerator. Want to hop on a call to find out more. Now, if it's negative, we're going to do nothing because we don't really want to respond to negative comments. So you can see the power of this. You could set this up for a lot of posts. Again, you're not going to be posting every day with this type of post, but if you do, they say once a week or once a month, you can obviously use High Level and this automation to make sure we like the comment, we respond to the comment, and then we take that comment into the DMs and have a conversation with someone, potentially to either give them a lead magnet, or like I said, you could have an ongoing conversation with them and then book a call and hopefully sell them your service or product. So that is the Facebook comments one. Now let's go over to the Instagram one. So again, super powerful. Like I said, this could replace ManyChat, which a lot of people use organically to grow on socials. This one's a little bit more simple, but you can make it more advanced. You can obviously add in kind of conversations and use conversational AI to take them through different flows. But again, we'll keep it simple here and we'll start simple and we can build from there. So again, the trigger is going to be Instagram comment on my post, contains phrase, and then obviously we'll choose our page, and then obviously we can just add more filters in here as well. So we could click add filters. I don't have any Instagram account connected, but yeah, we want to add that phrase again. So we've got that agency phrase. And then here, we're just going to say response comment. This one's a little bit different. So we're going to create multiple responses. And what high level is going to do is rotate through these responses so that it doesn't look like we're just sending the same response each time. So we can add as many as we want. And again, you can make this kind of more casual so it doesn't look like it's automation. And again, we're just going to say, hey, check your DMs. Thanks for showing interest. Please check your DM. Just sent you a DM. Again, we're going to like the comment. And from there, we can then obviously send a Instagram DM. So we can go straight to Instagram DMs and we say, hey, contact first name. Thanks for commenting. How can I help you? So from there, they can then actually now, what we can do on here, we can add interactive buttons. So we can put in buttons at the bottom. So we could say sign up, book a call. So they could actually do something there and then in the DMs. Now, if you wanted to change that and do quick replies, obviously you can add quick replies, which will show underneath that Instagram message. And then they can click that message and then we could take them into a flow. So again, if we had quick replies here, we could then take them into an automation and obviously respond to their questions through what quick replies they're giving us. And yeah, obviously you can automate this whole process. This could be super powerful to help you grow organically on Facebook and Instagram using high level.
All right, if you're ready to launch your digital marketing agency and start landing clients quickly, I've got something special for you. Right now, you can get a complete copy of everything we covered here today, plus my entire proven agency growth system, completely free. This isn't just another course. This is the exact framework that's helped me build multiple seven-figure agencies and work with clients like Google, Amazon, and Meta. Inside, you're going to find high-converting templates and client-getting scripts and automated sales funnels, all tested, perfected, and ready for you to use. And when you sign up now, I'm also giving you a free 30-day trial to high level, fully preloaded with all of these tools, so you can start bringing in clients from day one without any upfront costs. This system has everything you need to succeed, including exactly what to sell, how to sell it, and who to sell it to, so you can start making money as early as this week. You're going to get fully set up websites, automated client attracting funnels, proven scripts and ready-made templates, an entire agency in a box that plugs directly into high level. And to make sure that you're completely set up for success, I'm also including a one-on-one kickoff call, 24/7 expert support, access to a private community, and daily live coaching with me and my team. Plus, our high-level expert Dave is there to help you with anything you need along the way. This is your chance to start seeing real results, so just click the link in the descriptions or top comment or visit growmyagencynow.com in order to get started, and I can't wait to see you on the inside and to help you build something amazing.